Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got this new Hot Wheels Nightburnerz 5-pack. It is one of the newer packs that came out. So here it is. Take a look at the side. Take a look at the back. Has the Datsun truck on there and all the names of the cars. And on the other side has the Datsun truck again. So yeah, let's open it up. So we got to figure out which way we're going to open it from. Let's open it from here. Use my fingers as a knife. Look at that! Just use my fingers like. That is kind of cool. It smells nice. Oh, I'm so excited! These are the new Hot Wheels that released this year. Hold up. Let's take a look at the first car. Look at this. The first car we got. It's called the Alpha Pursuit. So this is a fantasy car. This car has a charcoal black, kind of. It also has a nice interior, red interior. It also has a pretty cool red breathers too, and also a red, what are they called? Bar things? I don't know. It also has the little police sirens on top. The back of the car does have a little chrome bumper too. It says police on the side, Hot Wheels police. Has some chrome steps on the side of the car. Pretty cool red chrome rings around the wheels. It's just pretty nice. So look at that. It says 911 on there. Pretty cool fantasy casting. So yeah. Take it off. It also has a chrome base too. It's pretty cool. So okay, the next car we got is the 1989 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC37. No, S. That's a long name. So guys, here it is. So I remember we did get different colors for this car. Yeah, look at this. We got here we got the other color of this car, and originally they had a red color of this too. So right now we got the blue color of this car right now. That is pretty cool. I do like this yellow color. It's got this very nice mustard yellow that I really like. The blower of the car that's kind of like shifted this way, which is kind of weird. It does have some pop-up headlights too, and also the back windshield is pretty big too. And the back of the car does have some back headlight tampons. It also has a sunroof on it and some white rims, which look very nice. So yeah, here it is. I like that. I like this car. It looks pretty nice. The next car we got is the 1998 Honda Prelude. So this Honda Prelude, I do have more colors of this car that I can find if I can find it somewhere. Hold up. Oh, that's weird. I had it. Hold up. I swear I had this car. Oh yeah, hold up. I remember now. I kept it here. Got some matchbox and stuff. It was at the bottom. Yeah, here. Here we go. We got the Honda. Here we go. We got the Honda Prelude in red. Here it is. And there was also a yellow version of this car. So right now I got most of the variations. Right now I have the white one, the red one, and I have the yellow one somewhere else tucked behind some bins. So that's pretty cool. I do like this white color. It's very like shiny, pretty cool pearl kind of white. Does have some back headlight tampons with the Honda logo on the back, a sunroof on top of the car. It also does have some plastic headlights. It's just pretty unusual to see in a Hot Wheels car, which is nice. Has the Honda logo on it, some white rims. So yeah, this car looks pretty nice. Look at that. So let's put it down here. And we might open these in a future video. That is cool. Let's put them right next to the variations. There we go. Then we got one of the cars that I really liked. It is called the Datsun 620. So this is a Datsun pickup truck, which looks very nice. It's got this very like nice military green, which I kind of like. It also says Kaido House, and it also has a number 0 meatball on the front of the car. It also has a Kaido on the side. I don't know what Kaido is actually. I might search it up later. So it has a bunch of tampons on the side. It says Greedy and Kaido House on the side. And it says Dotson under the number 0 on it. The back of the car is really big. Look at that. It's a lot of space. It also has a nice chrome bumper on the front. And also says Dotson on the back of the car. This is my first Dotson pickup truck. Wow. This is cool. So later on I'm gonna search up what Kaido House is. One sec. I need to search up what Kaido House is. Cause look, see it says Kaido House. What is that? Kaido House. So let me search that up. Let me search up what is Kaido House. So it's called AID Kaido House. Oh, okay. Kaido House is just like some brand. Oh, okay. I got it now. It's just some brand, a car brand. So, okay. Here it is, Kaido. Chrome underbelly. Pretty cool. Then, we got the McLaren Speedtail. Oh my god. If you know, I love purple. Purple's my favorite color ever. Look at that. It's mind-boggling. Look at that the dark purple color. It has no paint on the rims. It's just fully pure black. I love the little glass shuttle and also the little red line that is on the back of the car. It also does say McLaren on the front of the car. Doesn't have any tampo headlights. Doesn't have any tampos on the front, but it does have tampos on the back of the car. Back headlight tampos, which is pretty cool. And how come? Look. If you can see in the middle of the car, the steering wheel is in the middle of the car. Look at that. The steering wheel is in the middle of the car. That's kind of cool. So look at that. That is a nice car. So, alright guys. Let's grab all of our cars. Boom, Mazda S2000. Datsun truck. The Alpha Pursuit. These two cars. Package. Actually, I don't need this package. But still, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope, like and subscribe. Check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101, down the link in the description below. So, yeah, if you enjoyed the video, just like, subscribe, put on the notification bell, see more of my videos. So, yeah, bye. Ooh.